When House Speaker Alan Peter Cayetano did this during the special session in Batasan, he got noticed on Twitter, but for all the wrong reasons. Former Quezon Representative Erin Tañada said, actress-singer Agot Isidro had this reaction. Netizens also slammed the act. On Facebook, Cayetano explained they were merely echoing the message for everyone to stay at home.
We're not comparing ourselves to the frontliners. Hats off po kami. Malayo po. Di ba? Ang mga frontliners po, every single second they're risking their lives. Kaya nga po kami, we're just extending the message, stay home.
Thank you for watching Politiko TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.